Nose blackheads removal full deep pore cleaning transformation. From a distance, the nose looks completely fine, no major issue, no visible dirt. But the real story starts when you look closer. Today we're doing a full nose blackheads removal with deep pore cleaning transformation. And what's hidden inside these pores is more than it seems. The reality under the surface: blackheads don't suddenly appear. They build up slowly, inside the pores. A mixture of oil, dead skin, external impurities, collects layer by layer, until the pore becomes blocked. Why the nose is always affected: the nose produces more oil. That means faster clogging, deeper buildup, more visible blackheads. This is why nose pores require deeper cleaning. Step 1. Surface cleaning. First, we remove surface oil. This clears the outer layer and prepares the pores underneath. Step 2. Pore activation. Steam is applied, the pores begin to open, and the hardened buildup softens. Step 3. Extraction begins. Now the first blackheads start to come out. Each pore releases what has been trapped inside. Step 4. Continuous deep cleaning. Now the process becomes steady. Pore after pore, blackheads are removed. This creates a consistent and satisfying cleaning flow. Step 5. Deep pore clearing. Some pores are deeper. These require more precision. But once cleared, the texture visibly improves. Step 6. Skin refinement. After extraction, the pores are clean, the surface becomes smoother, light reflects better on the skin. Final transformation. Before, clogged pores. Uneven surface. After, clean pores. Smooth skin, a complete deep pore cleaning transformation. Final message: what you see on the surface is not always the full story. True skin clarity starts from inside the pores. If you enjoyed this nose blackheads removal and deep pore cleaning transformation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more satisfying skincare transformations, stay connected.